Welcome back. This video is strictly for educational purposes, and I do not recommend you do what is on this video. It's just to show, right? This is a much requested video, and these are tools that are available on the Telegram community for over a month now, and we just to educate and just show people on YouTube what it's about. So, if you're having issues with Augment Code, either your account being suspended, or too many free trials, or your sign up has been rejected, you can use there are two tools that you can use to resolve these issues. The first one is Professor David's an executable, right? Want to big thank you to him. So on the community, a very active member. We also have another one from another active member, right? And this one is a Python script. So there are two different tools, and they are all being maintained. You can check them out and see what you want. And there's a third version, right? Which is the privacy shield, right? I will not be explaining what that is on this video, but you can read up on it and you can check out the code, right? All the codes here are available for you to check them out and see what they do. Do your due diligence. So if for David's own, if you want to install that, you click on the releases, and you're able to see the what's the name, where to download the executable. If it's this one, all you have to do is just download the zip, and you're able to run the Python script. Both of them have extensive use instructions on how to use them, so I doubt anybody will be having any issues. But if you have issues, you can leave a comment in the comment section, and hopefully someone in the community can assist you, right? Also, so for both of them, you need to be able to clean your cookies. You need to be able to clean your local storage. You need to be able to clean your data, right, from Augment. Not just so they would clean it from VS Code, right? They will be able to help you, reset VS Code, but you also need to do the part size on the browser. So to do that, you can just inspect and look for applications, right? And under applications, you can see local storage, you can see session storage, right? All that. You just need to to clean, you left click and you click clear. That's just how it works. So if you have any issues, if you have any questions, do let us know. If you questions, if you have so much issues, like multiple questions, you need to explain something, just come over on the Telegram channels. There are so many people ready to help you. But if you actually have just a straight simple question, please do leave a comment on YouTube, and we will do so to reply you, right? Remember, this video is strictly for educational purposes. I do not recommend. And these are methods that have been tested by thousands of developers, and they can confirm that they do work. So thank you. Remember to like and subscribe. Engage my channel, please. Yeah, I'm begging you guys to please engage my channel. Have a nice day.